So I'm going to try to sneak up on a bunch of turkeys here that are courting. So I'm going to flip the camera. It's really kind of neat.
Normally they would take off from us, but now they're underneath.
Oh yeah. So the males have their plumage out, and they're trying to mate with females. And they seem to kind of be ignoring us. But it's a courtship ritual, and it's really cool to see. I'm going to see if I can get closer. Now they're going into the woods. Get a little closer, see if those tails come down. I think I'm interrupting a little bit of their play here. I'm sorry, turkeys. It's cool. You guys are pretty impressive though. And here we go.